Today we're making stuffed masala bhindi or okra, ladyfingers. Start with 2 red onions, about 1 thumb-sized piece of ginger, and 3 or 4 cloves of garlic, and 2 green chilies if you want them. Grind them up, and then in a saucepan, go ahead and add 2 tablespoons olive oil, all of that ground up paste, and go ahead and cook the paste until the raw smell of garlic and ginger has dissipated. Go ahead and take about 20 ladyfingers or okra, however you call it. Cut off the tops and slice the center. While we're waiting for the masala to cook, we're adding in 1 teaspoon coriander, 1 teaspoon cumin, half a teaspoon black pepper, and of course salt to taste, and some amchur or mango powder. So go ahead and just blend that up, let it cook. You can see it's just kind of pasty and thick. We haven't really roasted this or browned it any. We just want to cook out the raw smell. And then to bind it all together and add a little bit of protein and more nutrients, I've added 2 tablespoons of sattu, which is roasted besan or roasted chickpea flour. Go ahead and let that masala cool. We're going to insert the masala by hand into the okra or ladyfingers. So continue stuffing, and then we're going to slice up 1 yellow onion. In the same pan that you were cooking the masala, we're going to throw in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I used olive oil. You can use whatever you like, a neutral oil. We're going to throw in the sliced onions into that pan and add 1 teaspoon of jaggery or sugar. It just adds a little bit of flavor to contrast with the spiciness of the masala. So you won't really taste the sweet in this case. And then, of course, go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of salt as well. So there is a little bit of salt and a little bit of sugar to caramelize the onions, get them all browned, and get them kind of delicious. All right, so we're going to start to put, when the onions are a little bit browned, we're going to go ahead and start to put the okra, the stuffed okra, into this pan. And you want to have them kind of not piled on top of each other, but individually laid out. So they need to have a little bit of breathing room. Otherwise, you'll end up steaming your okra, and you don't want that. They turn kind of sludgy and slimy. So you're going to just lay them in there and cover it for about, maybe I want to say 5 minutes, just to get that cooking process started. And then we're going to uncover it, gently stir it, very gently. You don't want to make a mush. So very gently stir it, and now it's going to cook another 10-20 minutes uncovered on medium heat. And this is when everything gets browned and delicious. And if there's any extra masala, throw that in as well. And enjoy. I served it with coriander and sliced tomatoes.